Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the third syntax of an if statement, that is if, else if, else and end. So previous two syntax was described in the previous videos and the link is in the description box and just a one click away. So today we are going to discuss the last if statement syntax. For that we are considering the same example of the discriminant. So the discriminant is equals to b square minus 4ac, and we are going to use all the three statements initially, that the roots are imaginary if we have the discriminant is less than 0. Secondly, we have equals to 0, which means that roots are real and equal. And thirdly, we have the discriminant is greater than 0, which means that roots are real and distinct. So for this case, we are going to choose A is equals to 1, B is equals to 4, and C is equals to 4. And we are going to test that how this syntax will work. So yes, this is the interface of the MATLAB, and we are going to start with, as usual, CLC, clear all, close all. Then we are going to use our input values, that is A is equals to 1, and we are going to suppress the results by using a terminator at the end. B is equals to 4 and C is equals to 4. Then we are going to write down the discriminant formula, that is equals to B dot head square minus 4 static A static C. So we are not going, I'm not going to suppress this results because I want to see the value of the discriminant. So here I'm going to use the condition first, that is if that turns blue. So first is discriminant is less than 0, then display that roots are imaginary. In the second, we are going to use else if. There is no gap between this word else and if. This is only a one word. Then we have a discriminant that is equals to 0. So when we are talking about the conditions, then for equality, we use a double equal. So then display that roots are real and discriminant is 0. Thirdly, we are going to use the word else, and there is no statement in front of the else. Then we write display that roots are real, and then we are going to end this statement. So firstly, let's save it. So save as desktop, you use any. So I'm going to run it, add to path. So C. If we choose A is equals to 1, B is equals to 4, and C is equals to 4, the result is 0. So it means that roots are real and discriminant is 0. If we change our values to 3, 20, and C is equals to 2, and if I run it, they give us 376, which means the discriminant is greater than 0 and roots are real. So let's test another one, that A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4, and C is equals to 2. So yes, the discriminant is negative and roots are imaginary. So that's how this if statement works. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.